Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to use voucher in Easyjet. So friends, all you have to do, you should pick a flight from here. For example, this flight, click book now. When you choose the book now, select your from the data here and then choose, you can find first freeze, select your date from here. For example, this one, this is for £40. Select all details here and then click continue with the one way. After continue, you should be add your passenger details, click apply, and from set selection, add your set selection here, click continue. You will see all details such as you can see here. When you see or arrive this checkout page, you can add when you see a checkout page, you can add your voucher. As you can see here, you will see banner of a voucher here. Add your voucher. If you want to add your voucher, you can use Google. For example, you can use Easyjet voucher codes. You can extract and get easy voucher code on this website called follow and then add card here and card name and number and complete all details here. So friends, this is how you can do. Basically, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video. Just copy your code and paste here. Complete your proceed checkout.